Ready to go sailing?
Alright, we're off bottom.
Next stop, nobody knows. Auto helm on, instruments on. So here we are in Guadeloupe, and the National Hurricane Center came out with its forecast today, August 1st, and said there's a storm coming our way. So what we're doing now is turning on the engine, hoisting the sails, and getting our butts as far south as we can. We wanted to explore as much as we could, and now that a storm's coming, it looks like we may have to skip Dominica, but we're hoping that it passes by. It's at 70% right now, and we're just gonna get a little bit further south and see what happens.
The south of the big butterfly-shaped island of Guadeloupe lie a chain of its dependent islands, collectively referred to as Les Saints. Many bays of these islands are known for their coral-rich waters and palm-lined beaches, and overlooking the region from the top is a fantastic way to check for oncoming weather.
Yeah.
Now we're cooking. Pretty light wind until we get out past the view fort. Here we are in the Saints. Made a little pit stop on our way to Dominica. Got some well manicured and maintained trails here supposedly. So James and I are about to go exploring.
It's an Alex and James adventure!
Woo!
What's up, sheep?
Bah.
I am your shepherd.
Oh, this must be the manzanillo. These are the deadly little green apples. Don't eat the apple. They're poisonous. So here we are walking through the little town of Grand Baie, looking for some fuego and a cold bevy. But it's raining.
Nothing's open.
Oh no, I just got my shoes soaked. So the search continues. Perhaps it's siesta, but it's a very quiet little cute town. Think we found the party! What's the little botanical gardens over here?
Terre-de-Bas Island, home to the tranquil anchorage of Grand Baie, lies around 15 degrees north and 61 degrees west. From sea level to the top, we trekked along wide trails across this volcanic landscape, known for beautiful habitats filled with all sorts of endemic species.
Going down the other side of the mountain. And here's La Plage.
Although this island is inhabited, there are several other islands in the archipelago that are uninhabited, except for the wildlife protected to stay there.
Oh, it squirted ya. Digging into some juicy baby coconuts.
Fortunately, after checking the weather forecast again, we determined that a trip to Dominica would still be possible.
I'm coming out like all sides of it.
However, unfortunately, due to the oncoming marine conditions near the islands, there was no time to visit the exceptional dive sites surrounding the Saints.
There's moon shadow down there.
Specifically, Sec Pate, home to a submarine mountain whose bottom sits around 300 meters deep with a top at less than 15 meters from the surface.
Back in Grand Baie. And the toes feel good to be out of these wet shoes. Raining again. The waves have shifted, the wind has shifted.
If you are looking to get to the Saints by plane, you must first get to Guadeloupe, and from there, the ferries over are fast and simple.
After a lovely time hiking the Saints, we are finally approaching the most volcanic island in the Caribbean. Goodbye, French flag. Until we meet again. Some crazy winds over here around Dominica. As you can see, when we left the Saints, we were making pretty good way. But once we get around this corner, the wind starts to change. We pick up that Landley with a good curve back towards Portsmouth.
Thank you for following along another episode of Between Sun and Sea. Our next stop will be Dominica, and we sure hope to see you there. But until next time, go have fun.
Dominica, finally!